Hello everyone, this is George from Invensis Learning with another session on business analysis. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you looking for a business analyst job? Are you worried about the roles and responsibilities of a business analyst? Thinking about the qualification required to become a business analyst? How to reach the demands of a job description? If yes, you are not alone. Today's session is all about the job description of a business analyst. Let us get started with the agenda. Let us begin the session by talking about who a business analyst is. Later, we will discuss why to become a business analyst. Moving on, I will show you a sample business analyst job description. Then, we shall focus on the qualifications to become a business analyst. Next, I shall explain to you the skills required for becoming a business analyst. Post that, I will brief you on the roles and responsibilities of a business analyst. Later, I will end the session by telling you the salary structure. I hope you are clear about the agenda. So, who is a business analyst? If you have already seen my previous video on the business analyst, you will have an idea about who a business analyst is. If not, do not worry, I have got it covered. A business analyst is that person who becomes a bridge between the IT department and the management team. In this position, you are required to look after each corner of the organization. You are responsible for figuring out the problems and then formulating appropriate solutions. According to IBA, International Institute of Business Analysis, business analyst is an agent of change. Which means that, a business analyst is basically someone who identifies that there is a need for change, and facilitates the implementation of that change in an organization. Let us quickly take a look at what a business analyst does in general. The business analyst must create a layered structure for understanding the business. Identify missing pieces of a system and build more efficient features to that system. Improve the organization by studying, documenting, reporting, budgeting, pricing, and technology. Understand the company goals and take the necessary steps to reach them. As a business analyst, you must track the business needs and take necessary actions to it. You also need to figure out the problems and find a method to solve them. Implementing suitable decisions also helps in the smooth functioning of the company. Overall, business analysts must fill the gap in understanding an organization's management and the complex data and technical systems. Now that we are aware of who a business analyst is, let us look into the reasons to become a business analyst. In the first place, this designation has found tremendous growth in the present market. The career prospects for business analysts are growing by leaps and bounds. A business analyst's role is continually being evolved and changed rapidly. According to LinkedIn, business analysis is one of the most needed skills of the year 2020. We can expect a great future for the present business analyst. Business analysts are also offered high packages. According to the reports found on PayScale, a business analyst's average salary in the US is $69,117. Indeed counts it up to $79,203. As a business analyst will work with huge numbers of people, he can understand other ideas and plans. By this, he gets the opportunity to learn new things. A typical business analyst's work is flexible. Their work includes all levels of management. They also are given the trust and flexibility to accomplish their tasks independently. The job of a business analyst to take individual plans and perform all the tasks independently. This autonomy gives business analysts enough space to explore creative ideas to meet customers' expectations. Business analysis being a new profile, many companies across the world have found the potential of it. It is now one of the highly demanded jobs. As a business analyst, you improve yours as well as your team's standards. You can enhance many of the skills, which may help you in the future. Now I will be showing you one of the job descriptions of a business analyst that may help you. The job description shown is taken from LinkedIn. The job description mainly includes the roles and responsibilities of a business analyst. It also focuses on the skills and competencies like documenting, analyzing, implementing the changes, communication skills, high quality of work, etc. Along with that, the job description points out some of the roles and responsibilities of a business analyst. As for the qualifications, you need to have either a bachelor's degree or master's degree in relevant domains. In addition to that, you need to have excellent communication, time management, and collaboration skills amongst other things. Based on the job description shown, let us discuss the various written topics in a job description. Let us start this by knowing the qualifications of a business analyst. Coming to the qualifications part, you must require a bachelorate degree in any one of the universities, either in business or any other related streams like administration, management, etc. Well, on the other hand, you can get certified with accredited training providers such as Invensis Learning, either at the starting of your career or during your career path. At Invensis Learning, we provide 2 courses to get certified in business analysis. With this mentioned qualification, you must have some relevant skills as well. And, being familiar with some of the tools and techniques of a business analyst is also required. Now, let us discuss the skills of a business analyst. You may always doubt the skills of a business analyst. You sometimes would be worried thinking whether only communication skills would be enough. Or if knowing hard skills is enough. Or many more. So, let's find out what skills a business analyst needs to be successful in the workplace. To become a business analyst, one should possess a combination of soft, hard, and technical skills. Now, let us go deep into each skill mentioned here. Hard skills refers to job-specific skills, which mainly focuses on practical knowledge of the subject. Having a proper understanding of the industry is one such skill, as it helps to understand the company's present status with others. Understanding project management and organizational skills are another hard skill to understand the projects and its various phases. The next one would be collaborating with the stakeholders, as it is the business analyst's primary job. Defining solutions to the obtained issues is one hard skill that a business analyst possesses to improve its goal. Soft skills are those which are essential for the functioning of an organization. In the case of a business analyst, having this would make a significant difference. Creative thinking ability is one soft skill required to input great ideas and plans. In this way, he/she would be able to reach out to the end users in an easy way. Good communication in verbal and written form is a must skill for any business analyst, as he often will be conversing with many in the company. Through communication skills, a business analyst can impress the person standing against him. In-depth decision-making ability, problem-solving techniques, leadership qualities, etc., are quoted as problem-solving skills. These are not specific to any job, but one must necessarily have these skills. These skills make any business analyst choose the correct decision and choose the right path that enhances the organization's proficiency. Business analysts must have technical competency in their work area and in the present evolving technologies they are expected to perform. Technical aspects include programming and testing the product, using cases for functional requirements, knowing about SQL, wireframes for visual needs, and many more. Data review and analysis are technical skills used by an analyst to help organizations make more effective business decisions by gathering and analyzing data for the business and evaluating them. SQL allows a business analyst to clearly understand and interpret documents that contain results from many databases. It also enables you to perform a more comprehensive analysis of the data stored in relational databases. Software testing is the process of validating a developed software system to meet the desired business needs. Any defects identified during testing will be analyzed, verified, and retested by a business analyst to ensure that these are working as required. On the other hand, a use case diagram provides any business analyst a high-level description of what your system must do and who all can interact with it. These skills help business analysts work effectively and translate business requirements into the language that tech developers know. Apart from this, knowing some of the business analysts' tools like Pencil, Wrike, and Microsoft Suits will help in their career path. So, what do you think are the roles of a business analyst? As already mentioned, a business analyst acts as an interface between several departments in the organization. His job is dynamic. His primary function is to gather ideas, develop, and implement them to reach the goals. A business analyst's main role is to find the appropriate solutions to the problem they are encountered. To do it, they will have to research and analyze the data. The next role of a business analyst is to design a proper framework for the system, as this makes the company work in the desired way and on the right path. The business analysts are also required to analyze the business structures by using their skills and formulate the correct method if it's not successful. The other basic role is to find a better and more creative way to improve the organization's efficiency by implementing new features. Now, let us focus on the responsibilities of a business analyst. The role of a business analyst will change from industry to industry and from company to company, but some of the responsibilities never change. To be a successful business analyst, one must have a clear-cut idea of what is expected of them about their roles and responsibilities. Some of the responsibilities include analysis, implementation, understanding of business values, communication, etc. The primary responsibility of a business analyst is to understand the goals and objectives of the organization. Only if he is aware of these will help grow the business, else, he cannot help reach the company goals. Once knowing the goals, he must be aware of its requirements to plan a method to manage all his roles as a business analyst. As a next responsibility, he has to analyze the impact of implementing new features. He will effectively reach the company goals. He is then also responsible for implementing the IT and technological solutions for its problems. Along with this, he He is also essential to communicate among stakeholders, and with the uppermost position or top management of the company as one essential role. On the other hand, he needs to interact with the company's marketing department, finance and accounting department, Salesforce, the production department, and the human resource department as a part of this job. Now, let us take a look at the salary structure of a business analyst. As already mentioned, business analysts are offered the highest package in the industry. They have the best salary outlook and good career stability. The salary growth of a business analyst has been increasing enormously over the past 2 decades. According to a Glassdoor report, a business analyst's average salary in the US is $68,346 annually. According to the present LinkedIn statistics, 23.3 million people have business analysis as a skill. 9.8 million with the title of business analyst and 4.4 million with the title of senior business analyst. This proves that business analysis is in a good position now. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the business analyst jobs are predicted to increase by 19% between 2012 and 2022. The graph mentioned is the salary of the business analysts based on the experience. We can see a huge transition of the salary as and when your experience increases. Career prospects for business analysts are growing by leaps and bounds. Well, I think now you are clear with the term business analyst. Today, business analysts are one of the trending roles. They are a crucial part of a developing business. Over the past few years, many youngsters are chasing after a business analyst job. We can expect a great future for the present business analysts. This job description video helps you know the parameters that you must be ready to get hired as a business analyst in any organization. So, choose the right path and become a successful business analyst and get ready to jumpstart your career as a business analyst. Now is a prudent time for those wishing to make a switch to the business analysis profession, and Invensis Learning can help you get started. At Invensis Learning, we provide certification training courses for business analysis foundation and practitioner qualifications. Enroll now with Invensis Learning to learn from the best in the industry and become a certified business analysis professional.
For more updates on trending technologies, subscribe to Invensis Learning YouTube channel. Also, if you have any queries, share them with us in the comments section.